Indonesia's forests are extraordinary. More than half are allocated for production. But these forests are more than just resources. They are the ecosystem that balance our climate, the home of incredible biodiversity, and the source of livelihood of indigenous people. At YKAN, we believe forests contribute a lot to people and don't have to be sacrificed. They can be productive, sustainable, and equitable, benefiting both people and nature. That's why we are working to protect one of Earth's last chance ecosystem, starting with the Wehea-Kelay landscape in East Kalimantan. The forest of 1.2 million hectares, including Wehea-Kelay landscape, is one of Indonesia's most biodiverse and ecologically significant areas. Home to approximately 1,200 Bornean orangutans and 1,600 species flora-fauna, including endangered species. Yet, it's threatened by deforestation, illegal encroachment, and unsustainable land use changes. This puts the landscape-rich biodiversity at serious risk. That's why we started Bentala Kalimantan. The project's shared ambition is to demonstrate that production and conservation can coexist harmoniously. We will redefine sustainable forestry, safeguard the vital lifeline of ecosystem in Borneo forests with 5 strategic pillars. We believe that together we can contribute to avoid 14.3 million tons of accumulated carbon emissions. It's not only about trees. It's about people, our future generations. This is a beginning, not an end. The journey is complex. It takes trust, persistence, and partnership from all of us: communities, government, academics, businesses, non-government organizations, civil society organizations, and those who really care to what will we leave to our children and grandchildren. A future where Indonesia's forests are both productive and alive is possible. The future of Indonesia's forests is the future of our planet, and it's in our hands. Let's protect, let's restore, let's collaborate together and find a way.